We are here to do a capacity building and experience sharing on case management for judicial officers working within the eastern part of Uganda, beginning from Mbale, Soroti, Moroto, and Kumi, together with the Tororo. So we are doing a case management training for judicial officers. This includes both judges and magistrates. The total is over 60 of them, and this is in fulfillment of the vision of the Chief Justice to improve access to justice, to bring justice nearer to the people. Basically what we are doing is to train the judicial officer on ADR, alternative dispute resolution. How can a judicial officer adopt a mediator mindset when they are disposing cases? So we want to see how we can adopt a reconciliatory approach in handling of cases, but also being able to adhere to the rules, being able to deliver judgments within the required period of time, putting heads together on how we can deal with issues of case backlog and making access to justice affordable. That is why we are here. I would say yes, mediation is African in the sense that when you look at our communities, studies have shown that 90% of our disputes don't come to the courts. They are resolved in communities through amicable means. And those amicable means are mediation, conciliation, and reconciliation within the community. So when we talk about mediation in this context, we are talking about mediation in the context of the 10% of the cases that come to the court. Because 90% of the cases that are resolved in the community through alternative dispute resolution, they don't reach the courts. Those that reach the courts are 10%. And unfortunately, the 10% that come to the courts take long to be disposed of because of so many issues, including unnecessary preliminary objections, unnecessary adjournment, and so we are saying we are now going to grow ADR by promoting a judge, judicial officer, mediator mindset. So one of the reasons we have had challenges in terms of having ADR effectively give results is we have been lacking a judicial officer mediator mindset. The mindset has been adversarial. Adversarial, you have parties appear before you, each party argues their case and they leave the decision to the judge. We are now saying the courts should encourage parties to mediate their cases. And this is what the Chief Justice has done. It's the vision of the Chief Justice, and as we speak now, wherever we are going, the Chief Justice is commissioning contact with mediators. We have done this in Bulu, we have done this in Barara, we are now here, and we'll be moving to the southwestern part of the country so that we are able to cover all the judicial officers, and then we'll then trickle down to the advocates and other categories of key actors within the criminal justice system. But most importantly, the Chief Justice has also recently engaged religious leaders, cultural leaders, to promote what is called the alternative justice system. Under the alternative justice system, the Chief Justice is saying, look, as a judiciary, we need to have a system where the formal justice system speaks to the informal justice system. So when you talk about the informal justice system, you are talking about the alternative justice system. The formal justice system, you are talking about mediation within the context of the cases that have come to the court. So basically we are here to see to it that we grow ADR, we grow mediation, and have parties adopt a reconciliatory approach in settling disputes.